Greetings and salutations, folks. It's day 2 here of Open House 2023. Much better weather this year. It's I don't even really have to have my jacket on at this point, but yeah, had a good night's sleep. I slept in the loft of a Momentum 397, so if I can do it, you can do it. Got some plans for today, boys?
We do got some plans for today. What's the first thing we're doing, Corny?
We're going to Grand Design, then we're gonna hit up Forest River.
And then we're coming back here. We're gonna do a little bit of the Thor booth, and then we got Rob Thomas tonight. Grand Design's putting on a concert at the Furion building.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, it should be a big day. Right on, folks. Right on, folks. We're here at Grand Design. This is always a cool display, just the way they kind of orient everything. We've got the new Influence Solitude, or I guess not Influence Solitude, the new Influence here behind us. These new Saranovas over here, which we're going to do some content on. Some pretty slick stuff. What are you excited to see here today, Brendan?
This Influence is really, really cool. And then also now the Saranova that they're coming out with, they're just making leaps and bounds, everyone. It's exciting.
Right on. The rear kitchen Solitude front bath.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to do a video on that here this week, too. Yeah, guys, stay tuned for more. Right on, folks. We just hit up Grand Design. Did about 17, 18 TikToks, so you're going to see those go up there this week. We're heading into Forest River now, and yeah, let's get after it. It's pretty sweet here at Forest River. They're offering us golf cart rides into the display, but who needs a golf cart when you got a Cornell? Right on, folks. We just hit up the Forest River display, got back. We're heading to Thor now. At Forest River, we hit some cool products up. We saw, of course, Flagstaff, Rockwood, that kind of thing. But there was some other stuff that we don't sell, Brennan.
Yeah, and there was some really cool products out there just to see what we're selling against. Yeah, it was a lot of fun getting to see all that stuff.
Yeah, we saw Cedar Creek. I would say it was pretty wicked stuff.
Yeah, I liked it.
Yeah, the Blackthorn, they're obviously trying to copy Brinkley with their stuff.
They're doing a good job.
Yeah, yeah, there was some cool stuff. So glad to see that stuff. Saw some new Flagstaff floor plans. We're gonna have those out for you this week, probably before this video goes up. And should have some cool stuff here from the Thor display. And then tonight is Grand Design, right? We're gonna head up the Grand Design concert. So that'd be fun. Awesome possum, buddy. We'll see you soon.
See you. Awesome, guys. It's the end of day 2 almost. We're just showing up now for the Grand Design concert. We're going to see Rob Thomas. We're very excited about that. We saw a lot of really cool new product today, and there's going to be a lot of short videos coming out to show that new stuff. Right on. We saw the new residence with the double loft, big door, side window. Saw some cool things from Springdale. And Brendan, we don't carry it, but we saw that new Midnight Edition from Cougar. That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. Yeah, we're going to have a good rest of the night. We'll see you guys for day 3.
I love it. 1, 2, 3. I don't fear no mountain, I don't fear no cloud.